back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Vaseline and egg to uncover a well-kept Asian secret, well-kept Asian beauty secrets to always look beautiful, flawless and clean looking skin. If today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. Please do hit the subscribe button that is right below this video, and do turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I share new videos on this channel. Also, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and then to share this video with friends if you find it helpful. And then follow me on my social media handles, link up here and in the description box. Do visit my blog, link on the screen and in the description box. That's where I do share all my written home remedies. And also don't forget to download my free ebook. The link is on the description box. And then let's get right into this preparation of Vaseline and egg to get the perfect looking skin, to get that flawless skin you've always wanted. So let's get right into the preparation. What we'll be using for this remedy is egg white, and here I separated the yolk from the egg white already. So what I have in the bowl is only egg white. Egg white contains proteins and amino acids. It is often used as a face mask to get rid of acne. Egg white contains high vitamin E. It is used to get rid of oily skin on the face. Egg white helps to shrink pores and softens the skin. It is used in treating burns on the skin that is being caused by sunlight. The content of protein in the egg white is also beneficial for skin regeneration. Using egg on the skin also helps to tighten up the skin and get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. The next ingredient I'll be making use of is Vaseline, or also known as the petroleum jelly. You can make use of any petroleum jelly for this. Vaseline has a lot of skin benefits. It helps to lock in moisture on the skin. It helps to moisturize the skin, helps get rid of dry and flaky skin on your lips or on your face or your whole body. Vaseline is very beneficial when it comes to use it. It has versatile benefits on the skin. To prepare this treatment, I'm going to get a bowl, and then I'm going to take out some quantity of Vaseline, about a teaspoon, into the bowl. Right again. I'm going to get this all out. The next thing I'm going to add is the egg white, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of egg white. I'm going to add a little more. After adding the egg white, I'm going to go in with lemon, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon has a lot of skin benefits. It is very good when used on the skin. It is one super ingredient that has a whole lot of benefits both on the skin and in the body. So I'm going to pour in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. However, if you react to lemon juice, you can make use of your rose water. So here is rose water. You can make use of it instead of using lemon. After adding all that, I'm going to mix everything together. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this all up. It can take a lot of time, but you just have to be patient and mix everything all up together. After mixing this all up, I'm going to go ahead and add yogurt to it. And for the yogurt, I'm going to be adding about 2 teaspoons of yogurt to this treatment. And then I'm going to go ahead and stir it again. I'm going to go ahead and add gram flour to it. And for the gram flour, I'm just going to add 1 full teaspoon like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix this in. So you're going to go ahead and mix this all up till you don't see these Vaseline lumps again. After mixing everything all up like this, to apply this treatment, you are going to get your half a lemon like this, the lemon you used in the treatment, and you are just going to use it to cleanse your face like this. Just apply this all over your face. You can see what I'm doing. You are going to use this on your face, apply it gently, rub it on your skin gently like this. This is going to help you get rid of sunburn if you have any, helps you get rid of dark spots on the skin and hyperpigmentation. And then after applying this all over your face just like this, the next thing you are going to do is to get your brush and use the treatment on it. However, you can also skip using lemon on your face before applying this treatment. That is if you react to lemon. So you can skip that and use rose water on your face instead. So you go ahead and apply this all over your face just like this. After applying this all over your face, you are going to leave this to stay there for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes, after which the treatment will begin to dry off. When the treatment dries off, you can go ahead and wash this off with cold water. So you don't have to use warm or hot water to wash this off. You can just wash it off with cold water, after which you go in with warm water and wash it off. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. After washing it off, this is my hand. So this is it. You can go ahead and repeat this treatment 3 times in a week, or you can use it twice in a week. So depending on how you can go about it, you can use it up to 3 times in a week. So guys, that was just a simple way to prepare the Vaseline and egg to make your skin looking flawless. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please do share it with your friends. Also, do give this video a huge thumbs up if you've not done so already. To open up the description box, I have a lot of links that you should check out, including a link to my free ebook, so do ensure to check that out as well. And then do hit the subscribe button that is right on your way out. You are going to see a subscribe button, so do hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I share new and helpful videos on this channel. And then I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.